This is an unboxing video of my DJI Action 2 remote control extension rod. I'll demonstrate how the remote control can connect to both the Action 2 and Action 3 cameras. Let's get started. I'll just open up the plastic packaging around the remote control extension rod itself. The remote control is detachable and sits on the extension rod by magnets. There is the USB Type-C charging port. Out of the box, the remote control was 51 to 75% charged. The LEDs blinking 4 times indicates that the device is between 76 and 100% charged. The remote control is fully charged when the LED stops flashing. I will now connect my remote controller to my DJI Action 2. Powering on the DJI Action 2 camera. And now I'll power on the remote control extension rod. Simply press and hold the power button. I will now accept the connection request on the camera. Now that the camera is connected, I'll do a quick record test on the video setting on the Action 2. Works perfect. Now I'll connect to my DJI Action 3 camera. First I'll power on the camera. Then I will turn on the remote control extension rod. Simply accept the connection request and the camera will be connected. In this case I had it set to the hyperlapse setting on the camera, but as you can see it does start the camera up and also stop the camera. I'm also trying a quick test on the video setting on the Action 3. Here it is started up. And then stopped.